In this recipe, I roasted some jasmine rice with spices and nuts, coarsely ground it, and added it to a spicy chicken gravy. The mixture is then added to strips of banana leaf and then steam cooked. Hi everyone, welcome back to Cravings Food Adventures. I'm Karen Ahmed. Today I have a really exciting and unique recipe for you. We're going to be making Thai rice and chicken bundles. A chicken curry is made and roasted rice is added to this curry, and it's going to be steamed in banana leaf. It's going to cook up and it's going to be delicious. Before I go any further with this recipe, do make sure you subscribe to my channel and please make sure to ring that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now, let's get cooking. I'm going to start with the roasted rice. In a hot wok, I'm going to add 1 cup of jasmine rice. The rice is more than I will need for this recipe, but I always like to make extra to store it for another time. It'll take a few minutes to start changing color, but once it turns a light brown, it can go to black very quickly, so do keep stirring it. I'm now going to add 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, 2 tablespoons of peanuts, and 1 tablespoon of white peppercorns. Allow this to cool completely. Once cool, add this to a spice grinder and grind it till it's coarse. You want to make sure you don't overgrind this. You want to have little bits of rice and spices in each bite. Now for the curry. Add half a cup of oil and allow it to heat up. I'm also going to add 1 cup of shallots. Shallots are great for this as they are milder than onion. You can use onion if you can't find shallots, or you can even add spring onions. Add 2 tablespoons of minced garlic and saute. Now I'm going to add 1 pound of boneless chicken. I just chopped the boneless chicken into small pieces and I'm going to add it in. I'm using chicken thigh, but you can also use breast if you prefer. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of Thai red curry paste, but you can add any other kind of paste that you like. Mix this well to coat the meat. Now I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of fish sauce. I'm going to add some palm sugar. I have about 2 tablespoons here, and I've just dissolved this in a 1/4 cup of hot water. Now I'm going to add half a cup of the roasted rice. Just mix it well enough so the liquid coats the rice, but we're not going to cook it just yet as it will be steamed later. I have some banana leaf strips here. Since banana leaf is an import here in Canada and these leaves seem to be a bit older and quite stiff, I decided to cut them into rectangles. I'm going to spoon a tablespoon or so of the mixture onto my banana leaf and roll. Some like to secure it with a toothpick, which works great if you have fresh banana leaves. Mine are quite stiff, so I will be using kitchen twine to seal them. If I use toothpick, this could split the leaf. Also, because this batch of banana leaves I purchased was quite stiff, I'm creating a cylinder rather than a package that you can just fold over. You can do both. What I love about the cylinder shape is that you can pack more filling in. I'm going to try and get in as many as I can. If you don't have or can't find banana leaves, parchment paper works well too. I'm going to add a cup of water into my Instant Pot under the trivet. Now I'm going to add in the bundles. To make a second layer, I'm just going to add another trivet and lay down the rest. Close the Instant Pot and select sealing mode and select steam for 10 minutes. As the timer goes off, I'm going to allow the steam to naturally escape. And then I'm going to open the lid of the Instant Pot. I'm now going to allow these to cool before serving. This is an amazing recipe, but it's also highly customizable. Enjoy. Thank you so much for joining me on Cravings Food Adventures. I hope you enjoyed this delicious recipe for Thai rice and chicken steamed bundles. This recipe is so delicious and so easy to make, but it's also so versatile. You can switch up the protein and you can put any kind of paste that you like when you're cooking up that protein. Before I go, guys, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Also, make sure that you've rung the bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And if you love my recipes, do make sure to share them with your family and friends. And don't forget, leave me a comment below. I really love knowing what you think about the videos. Also, follow me behind the scenes on all of my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Until I see you next time, do take care. Bye.